Hello everyone, welcome to this series of mathematics lessons. This is a continuation of the previous lecture. Now let us see example 1. A coin is tossed 1000 times with the following frequencies. Out of 1000 times, we can see 455 times heads and 545 times tails. Compute probability for each event. Events are getting a head and event of getting tail, and number of trials are 1000. Since coin is tossed 1000 times, the total number of trials is 1000. Now let us call the events getting a head and getting a tail as E and F. Then the number of times E happens, that is number of times head comes up, is we are given 445. We know how many times we saw head, that is 445 times. Now let us calculate the probability of event E. The probability of E is equal to number of heads divided by total number of trials. Number of heads is 445 and total number of trials is 1000. So 445 divided by 1000 is equal to 0.455. Similarly, the probability of the event getting tail is equal to number of tails divided by total number of trials. Number of tails is equal to 545 and total number of trials is 1000. So 545 divided by 1000 is equal to 0.545. When you flip a coin, there are only two possibilities. Either we will see head or we will see tails. The theoretical probability of getting head is equal to 1 by 2 and the theoretical probability of getting tail is equal to 1 by 2. When we flip a coin, there are only two chances. Either we get head or tails. So there is 50-50% chances. When we add these two probabilities, we will get 1. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 1. Now let us see this empirical probability. Probability of E plus probability of F. Probability of E, that is probability of getting head, is 0.455 and the probability of getting tail is equal to 0.545. 0.455 plus 0.545 is equal to 1. Two coins are tossed simultaneously 500 times and we can see two heads 105 times, one head 275 times and no head 120 times. Find the probability of occurrence of each of these events. Now let us denote the probability of getting two heads by E1, probability of getting one head by E2 and probability of getting no head by E3. Now let us calculate probabilities of each of these events. Here the number of trials is 500. The total number of trials is 500. So probability of getting two heads is equal to 105 divided by total number of trials. 105 divided by 500 is equal to 0.21. And probability of getting one head is equal to 275 divided by 500, which is equal to 0.55. And probability of getting no head is equal to 120 divided by 500, which is equal to 0.24. When we add all these probabilities, we will get 1. Now let us see example 3. A die is thrown 1000 times. So the total number of trials is equal to 1000 times with the frequencies for the outcomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. We know that a die has 6 sides, each side representing a number from 1 to 6. So let us see table. Outcome could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6 and their respective frequencies are given below. Out of 1000 times, 179 times, we saw 1. Out of 1000 times, we saw 2 150 times. Similarly, for 3 we can see 157 for 4, 149 for 5, 175 finally for 6. We can see 6 appeared 190 times. Find the probability of getting each outcome. Find probability of getting for each outcome. Now let us denote probability of getting 1 by E1, 2 by E2, 3 by E3, 4 by E4, 5 by E5 and 6 by E6. So probability of getting outcome as a 1 is probability of P of E1, which is equal to frequency of E1 divided by total number of trials, that is 1000. You can see in the question number of trials is equal to 1000. How many times we can see 179 times. So probability of getting E1 is equal to 179 divided by 1000, which is equal to 0.179. We follow the similar approach for rest of the outcomes. For 2, 150 divided by 1000. For 3, 157 divided by 1000. For 4, 149 divided by 1000. For 5, 175 divided by 1000. Finally, for 6, 190 divided by 1000. For each cases, we will get some number. So this is the probability of each outcomes. Notice one thing, when we add all these probabilities, we will get sum as 1. The content of this recording is borrowed from Karnataka Textbook Society, Bangalore under Fair Usage Policy. This video is presented by Avari Technologies. Please do hit subscribe button to get more content. Thank you.